in the Auclio. Okay, so I have created one data set. Let's add new page. So I'm going to add a new page, project page. And then what I can do is something like, I'm not sure what should represent project, but something like that, okay? And I'm just going to create this page here in the UI. This project page is now here. And what I can do is here I can add a new widget. So if I go to the add new widget, I can add, I can add text, table, text grid, form, button, card, and charts are coming soon. So if I click table, I can select like list of projects. And here I can select, I would say, everything that you would want from the tables, like if it's going to have a sidebar or not, if it's going to have a group bar or not. If you want to have the AI assistant, so we have an AI assistant that allows you to do the sorting, filtering, and basically you can set different configurations of the table using the AI assistant, not from the admin perspective, but from the end user perspective. So you can say, give me all the projects that started in the previous year. It will be applied as a filter if there is a start date as a property in the data model. So here I can select if I want to allow users to add new objects through the table. If I say yes, I can choose if I want to have this as a model pop-up, like I show you, or it will be added as a new row in a table. Some settings about column sizing, display options, etc. I'm not really going to into all the details. And now I'm going to basically, as I can select this use external connection. So I can select external connection and get all the data sets from the external connection, or I can select local ones. So let's select the project. Here is the piece that I mentioned. You can add different joins. So you can join different data sets into one. I'm not going to do that. And then I can do automap dataset. So automap dataset will basically get all the properties from the dataset and put it into the table. I may want to get rid of the workflow and the state, reorder this in any way I want. Let's leave it like that. Maybe I can also show you that project name, for example, can be defined as a link, and then link can point to another page. So if I have, for example, project details page, I would be able to link it here. I'm not going to overcomplicate this demonstration. Tables can also have different filters, so you don't have to filter the data set when you're getting it from the mfiles, but you can also filter it on a specific table. For each column, you specify how you want this column to behave. And finally, you define file management. So if your data set allows files and projects allow files, you can select if you want to have side panel, if you want to have upload, delete, download, preview, or you would like to have a file column here. Let's say I want to have file column and leave it like preview or whatever, upload. And then here I can define some labels. I'm just trying to simplify that as much as possible. So now in the UI, I have one table. So, okay. And now maybe I want to add a button, which would